What's up everyone, Arif here, and today we're hooking up the UltraLoQ Wi-Fi bridge for the U-Bolt smart lock that I installed in the previous video. This will let me do e-key sharing and I believe a few other things, but the documentation on the website is not the best and it's a little bit confusing. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. Let's get this thing hooked up and let's get it put into the system. I think I'm gonna just plug this thing in here, just because I want it up and out of the way. So we plug it in, and we can see there it has a yellow light. So let's go get the app. To set this thing up after you've plugged it in, let's go into the app. Select the lock you want to tie the bridge to. Remember, if you have multiple U-Bolt locks, you're going to need multiple U-Bolt bridges. It's one bridge per lock. That's unfortunate, but that's just the way it is right now. So select the lock you want to tie it to. Come into the settings and go down to bridge and click, well, paired, where it says unpaired. It will tell you to insert the Wi-Fi address and the password. Remember that this needs to be on the 2.4 gigahertz, not the 5. Once you do that, it should say success. If it doesn't, and it shows you this message saying, hey, it's too far away, just go plug it in nearer to the router. And it says on the instruction manual that you should have line of sight with the lock. That is not my experience. I have this thing actually in my basement now from when I did this video, and it's working just fine. So it does not need line of sight with the lock. So just move this next to the router, plug it in, do the pairing, and once the pairing is done, you'll see that the lights here turn blue and green, and if they're blue and green, you are good. Okay, there you guys go. That's how you set up the U-Bolt Wi-Fi bridge. Subscribe now.